these are the conjunctions which indicate something unreal or contrary to the fact, and these are very similar in form to conditional sentences. हमने जिससे पहले lesson 30, 31 and 32 में conditional sentences को complete go through किया है. In case you don't know, you must have to go and check this out. I will give the links in the description below as well. So ये दोनों words भी हम conjunctions को भी हम unreal और contrary conditions को यूज़ करते हैं शो करने के लिए. These were the verbs which follows these conjunctions must be in the past tense or past perfect tense. As if और as though के साथ आप जो भी verb यूज़ करेंगे वो या तो past tense होगा या past perfect tense होगा, to be very precise. Remember that the past tense of be is in a contrary to fact statement must be were and never was. और past tense को जब आप इस conditions में use कर रहे हैं तो contrary depict करने के लिए, तो regardless आपका subject का जो plural या singular है, the verb has to be were. The verb be must be were and never will be was. So the sentence construction will be like subject followed by verb present. अगर आपके पास as if और as though है तो this will be followed by subject and the verb in the past tense. अब हम इसको एग्जाम्पल में भी देख लेते हैं. The old lady dresses, this is all present, as if, again इसके बाद क्या होगा, it were winter even in the summer. अब चूँकि it is not winter in the summer, so that is showing the contrary fact to the reality. But हम यहाँ पे इसको कैसे construct करें with the past tense. So it's not winter, so it's not appropriate the way she is dressed up. Second example,